We'll guide you through how to download and install the Cobblemon mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and quit off Minecraft. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. Now just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're the place I go to when I want to host a Minecraft server. They've got one-click install mod packs so you can easily play with your friends, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support so you can get help anytime you need it, and ultra low latency as well. And at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description so you can come and check them out. As I said, they've got so many features, so it's definitely worth checking them out. Now to continue with the guide, what we want to do is go and search for Minecraft Cobblemon, just like so. And you then want to come to the CurseForge site. This is where I download it from. Scroll down through the description and you can read about it. But to download it, go to the right of the description and click on Files. And you can then choose the version you want to download. I like to go and get the most recent game version. And also we need to go and get it for Forge as well. So just look in mod loaders, as you can see it says Forge, and just note down the game version you're getting it for as well. Then come over to the right and click on the three dots and click on download file and go and wait. It will then go and start downloading and we can press back. Make sure you note down the game version you get. For me it's 1.20.1 as well. Now come into the description and scroll down until you get to the install section. And what we need to do is go and get Kotlin and Forge. We'll go cover that now. First of all, click on Kotlin for Forge and click on Files. And now scroll down. There's quite a lot to choose from here, but what we need to do is go and find one which is working for the version we got. So we got 1.20.1 and this one works for that. As you can see, 1.20.1. So come over to the right and click on the three dots and click on download file and go and wait. It's now downloaded, and next we need to go and get Forge. So go and search for that. Type in Minecraft Forge like so, and then come to the Forge site. Now come over to the right and you need to go and get the same version of Forge as we got the mod in. So for me that was 1.20.1. And now we can go and get the installer. So click on installer, you'll get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware this is ads. So if you see a download button, it's for the ad. You need to go and wait for the skip button to appear in the top right, which you can click on, and it will go and start downloading. Then what we can do is come off of the browser and you can open up your downloads folder. So in File Explorer, come over to the left to downloads, and here's what we just downloaded. And then what we can do is go and drag it onto our desktop. It just makes things easier. Now what we need to do is go and install Forge, so double click on Forge. Here's the installer. However, if it doesn't go and open up or something else opens up, then this is because you don't have Java. All you need to do is open up your web browser and go to java.com, and we can then go and download it and install it. And then come back to Forge, right click on it, hover over open with and go and select Java, or click on choose another app and select Java. If it still isn't working, then you may need to run a jar fix, and that relinks jar and Java files. We've got a full video on that. Once the installer is open, select install client and go and click OK. And it will then go and start. Once it's finished, it will say successfully installed. And what you then need to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. Now go to the top and click on installations and scroll through here until you go and see Forge, and go over to the right and go and click on the files button like so. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you go and see the mods folder. Now what you need to do is go and drag in what we just downloaded. So I'm going to highlight Kotlin and Cobblemon, and you can drag it in like so. That's it, you've now installed it. So go and click on play at the top of Minecraft and go to the left of the play button, go and find Forge and click on play, and it will now go and launch. So here we are. If we go into mods, you should go and see Cobblemon just there. And now we can go and get into a world, and I'll go and show you what it looks like. Here we are, and now in the top right it says choose your starter, so I'll press M, and that's it. You can go through here and choose what you want to do. And that's just like that. We chose Charmander, and that's it. We can go and get started. Cobblemon adds a whole nother level to Minecraft, so it's definitely worth checking out. So if you guys found this useful and you want to go and see more guys like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.